baking today again. I haven't done a baking video in a while, but I thought I would do that because it's time for fall. We're gonna be making gluten-free cookies. First, we're gonna need 2 bananas. I don't know why I always use bananas in my recipes. Okay, I have like chapstick on my lip. So these cookies are also vegan for all you vegans out there. Literally no one watching this is vegan, but why is this like not mashing? I don't think these are ripe enough. Gonna add like a little bit of vanilla. I'm pretty sure they use like the natural peanut butter. This is like the processed bad one. So we'll see. Okay, I need to stop. I don't think you're supposed to have that much peanut butter in one sitting. I'm getting a little violent. I'm gonna add the oats now, which are like one of the main ingredients. Okay, let's talk about our favorite things about fall. Mine are pumpkin spice lattes, which I discovered recently. I know I'm a basic girl, but we all love our pumpkin spice lattes once in a while. Also, love wearing sweaters, even though I can't really wear sweaters because it's like 90 degrees. But it's fine, I still wear them anyway. Ooh, kinda good. Kinda looks like puke, but that's okay. I don't know how much coconut, but we're just gonna put a lot because we love our coconut. And now I'm gonna add some of these chocolate chips. Wait, this looks good. Okay, maybe not, yeah. I don't know if it actually looks good. Okay, well, it smells pretty good. Maybe a little more coconut. Got my fancy baking paper. Now let's do a compilation.